resources, time, money, network we don't have. When you look at the most powerful and effective people in the history, whenever the problem, they don't have the resource but they got them. How do people get resource? When they don't have them, the answer is they are resourceful. The ultimate source is resourcefulness. That's what makes someone successful. And how what great about resourceful? How has it in within them? Who? Every human being. The question is whether you assess it or not. If you're creative enough, can you find an answers to the problems? Yes or no? If you are determined enough, can you find the money that you don't have? Can you find it? Yes or no? If you care enough and get the people to care within you, can you get them to help you? Yes or no? If you are bold enough, if you are strong enough, if you are disciplined enough, can you get yourself to do things other people can't find a way to do? Yes or no? See, the ultimate source is sourcefulness. But the minute you forget that and comes up with a story that goes, I don't have money, I don't have time, I can't to do it, it's too far away. That's what's gonna kill you. Put yourself in a position where you can't restrict it, where it's do or die, sink or swim. Here's what you will find out. You will develop incredible swimming skill. You find yourself stroking unlike you have ever seen before through the inspirations of dispersions. You will become more credible than all ever before. Throw your whole self into it. All you can do is all you can do, and all you can do is enough. But make sure you do all you can do. So as we look at the futures, we can decide that's far this day forward. As I look at all the dimensions of my life, looking at myself mentally, emotionally and spiritually, I'm going to do all I can do to develop me, to bringing my talent out there, to make contributions to life. You gotta get this beast mode. You get a beast mode. Everybody about you has to say, aren't playing. If it's to have, I'm gonna get it. And aren't having none of it behind its mind. Beast mode. You better run fast. Cause you're by it. I'm coming to get it. I'm coming to get it. I'm coming to get it.